Hi traders, I am happy to meet you all in a new video, Nifty WEDS Virgin CPR. Before going to today's video, if you have not yet subscribed to my YouTube channel, hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell notification. Together we grow as a price action trading community. So it is a Virgin CPR season in Nifty because back to back we are getting a lot of Virgin weekly CPRs in Nifty. Let us analyze it very quickly. So you can clearly see last week there was a Virgin CPR in Nifty and Nifty reversed from that Virgin CPR in the current week. And even in the earlier week, there was a Virgin CPR in Nifty. This is hourly chart with weekly CPR. Don't forget. So we had a Virgin CPR in the earlier week and last week the market reversed exactly from the Virgin CPR. Now even if we scroll back to previous weeks, we can clearly identify there is a lot of Virgin CPRs in Nifty, especially in recent days. Even here on December last week, there was a Virgin CPR. And if we go back a little bit, in the month of November last week, there is a Virgin CPR. Even if we go back a little bit, in the month of October also there was a Virgin CPR. Now every month there is a Virgin CPR in Nifty, especially in weekly CPR. In the month of January, we had 3 Virgin CPRs. That is a huge number. So this is Virgin CPR 1 and this is Virgin CPR 2 and this is Virgin CPR 3, which was happening in the last week of January. And in the February, the first week itself, we got a Virgin CPR. So nowadays, Nifty is having a love towards Virgin CPR. We are getting a lot of Virgin CPRs and it is acting well as well. Now in the month of January, couple of Virgin CPRs happened back to back. Here this is December last week and this is January Virgin CPR. This is another Virgin CPR. Now when these 3 Virgin CPRs happened, you no need to expand it towards the next week because already the candles are in a far ahead in a bullish trend. So you no need to expand it for the next week. Now simultaneously, if you check this January 2nd week Virgin CPR, I am extending this Virgin CPR to the next week. The candle broke the Virgin CPR. So there is nothing much to do with Virgin CPR reversal. Generally in a Virgin CPR, how do we take a trade? Whenever the candle reaches the Virgin CPR zone and when the candle reverses and comes above the Virgin CPR, and this is the point we take a long trade and we can expect the market to reach towards the weekly CPR. It gets attracted towards the weekly CPR. But on this particular week, we can clearly witness that the market broke the Virgin CPR and it started to come down. So just leave it. There is nothing much to take a trade as per this Virgin CPR. So this Virgin CPR has failed its duty. Now if we observe the next week, on last week, we got a Virgin CPR. So this is a Virgin CPR. I am extending it to the next week. Now the candles are getting inside the Virgin CPR zone. Don't take any position. Just wait for a reversal. If the candles are coming above the Virgin CPR, then you can go ahead and you can take long position. No problem. Because sometimes Virgin CPR fails to give a reversal. And the candles will have the momentum to break the Virgin CPR. So you can consider taking long position if the Virgin CPR is broken. But if the candle reverses and if the candle comes below the Virgin CPR, this is the right location for you to take a short position and the candles will be attracted towards the weekly CPR or at least towards the previous week high and weekly CPR 50% level. So if you are taking a short position somewhere around this particular level, you can try to look for a quick scalping till R1 and previous week high and followed by 50% of R1 and weekly CPR 50%. Now if we look back last week, there was a Virgin CPR. Now I am extending it to the current week. Now in current week, what happened? The candles broke the Virgin CPR. You can look for short opportunities. But your stop loss is hit as soon as the Virgin CPR gives the reversal. Now what you can do, you can reverse your position, look for long opportunities, because Virgin CPR is reversing the candles and we have got a bull candle. The candles are coming out of the Virgin CPR zone. You can take a long position and you can look for a target of weekly CPR, or you can look for a target 1 previous week low and weekly CPR 50% level. So this 50% level you can look as a target 1, and weekly CPR you can look for a target 2. So this is how we trade a Virgin CPR. There are few people who are having a lot of confusion, like, shall I extend this Virgin CPR for upcoming weeks like this, and shall I extend the previous Virgin CPRs like this for upcoming weeks? Now what I will tell is, the accuracy of Virgin CPR reduces as you extend it for a so much long time. Now we are extending this Virgin CPR. This is a Virgin CPR. Consider this as Virgin CPR 1. Now you are extending after 2 weeks. After 2 weeks, what happens? The trend changes. There is a ascending CPR and again there is a descending CPR. So a lot of events happen technically in these 2-3 weeks. The market trend tends to change. So it's better not to extend Virgin CPR for more than a week. So don't extend Virgin CPR for more than a week. In my earlier videos, in my older videos, I have said you can extend until you see a reversal. But what I will tell is, of course, reversal will happen, but only the accuracy is less. Whereas the reversal happening in the next week has a better accuracy. The reversal happening after so many weeks will have a less accuracy. Now if we observe Banknifty, Banknifty is not having so much Virgin CPRs like Nifty. Last week there was a Virgin CPR in Banknifty and the reversal happened from the Virgin CPR. So what we used to do, if the Virgin CPR is broken, you can go for short opportunity. But if the candles are reversing from the Virgin CPR, this is the area you have to focus for taking a long position, and you can focus on a target for 50% initially, and later on you can focus for weekly CPR as your target 2. So this is going to be a target 2 and 50% is going to be a target 1. And even if we scroll back in Banknifty, here we had a Virgin CPR. The candles broke the Virgin CPR and then there was a reversal. So what happens? I am extending this Virgin CPR for the second week. This is first week and this is second week. What happens? The accuracy reduces. The candles broke and then the candles are coming above. So what happens? The accuracy reduces. So generally it is advisable to follow Virgin CPR only for the next week or next day. So here there is a Virgin CPR in Banknifty. So if you extend for the second week, so this is first week and this is second week, you can clearly see the Virgin CPR was broken and the market goes up. So what happens when we extend the Virgin CPR for more than 1 week? The trend changes and the market sentiments, everything changes, right? So it is not advisable to follow Virgin CPR for more than a week. Follow Virgin CPR only for next week or next day. So this is one interesting observation I wanted to inform it to you all. So Nifty, WEDS, Virgin CPR, a lot of Virgin CPRs we are witnessing in recent days. Now many YouTubers will copy this and they will post it in their YouTube channel. So before that, I want you all to share this video to all your trading circle. Thank you guys. Meet you all in the next video.